Let's talk about our first alert weather. Lovely today,
yes.
Lovely tomorrow,
yes.
But
then it ends.
Okay.
We're in spring storm season, and Tuesday and Wednesday there's going to be some weather you're going to have to deal with. It's been a pleasant day, a lot of cloud cover, a little humid, but no storms. 74 degrees right now, still a little warm out there, and still very humid, and it will be for the next couple of days, actually. We expect tomorrow morning the temperatures will maybe stay in the 70s. We haven't had a morning that the low was in the 70s yet this season, but it's going to be a warm start. We'll be into the upper 70s by the noon hour, end up in the low 80s where we were today. And the only reason we wouldn't get warmer is, like today, a lot of cloud cover and high humidity, and both of those things suppress temperatures, at least at daytime highs. You can see 83 tomorrow, 84 on Tuesday, and 73 on Wednesday, but what I really want you point out is the red. Those are first alert weather days for both Tuesday and Wednesday because of the risk of severe weather both days, and in the end, a lot of rain. A little bit on the timing here. We're going to watch our far western counties for isolated strong to severe weather tomorrow night. Some of those storms will weaken and move into the metroplex, but I doubt they'll be severe by the time they get into the metroplex. And then along and west of I-35, these storms will be moving in from the dry line in the evening hours on Tuesday or late afternoon on Tuesday. They could have quite the punch to them, and they could still be powerful by the time they get into the metroplex. We do think that Wednesday morning we'll wake up with rain and thunderstorms going on, even some hail going on, and that activity picks up with another round that comes in the afternoon. Heavy rain possible and elevated flood risk as well. That slight risk in yellow for Tuesday is pretty much from Tarrant County or Parker County, and then off to the west. We think it's really through the day going to be out to the west of the metroplex and then move in during the night. And then that slight risk of severe weather is bullseyed over the metroplex in all of North Texas, and this will be the roughest day of the two. Look at these rainfall amounts we're talking about. You see the reds? This is 3 to 4 inches of rain in isolated areas. So this is going to be a big rain, and by the time we get into Wednesday, when we're probably in the third or fourth round of storms, we could end up with some significant flooding. So this is the excessive rain outlook. This is the flooding risk, basically in red over Wichita Falls for Tuesday, and then almost all of North Texas under a slight flooding risk. So that's another thing I need you to think about when you're driving around, especially on Wednesday. This is that lightning that's coming out of the storms. It's a good indication of the storm track. So there we are in the 3 o'clock Tuesday and 6 o'clock, and you can see what it does. It rolls right over the metroplex on Tuesday, and then it's over us all day on Wednesday. The storms don't go away. We'll get the break for Rangers Weather Day Thursday, then they're right back for the weekend, and Steve Pickett will be right back himself.